Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix missing gaming hub app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let us start. So you can see guys, I can't find it on my home screen. Okay, even if I go to my apps screen, I can't find it. Let me open my Samsung folder. I can't find it here as well. Let me do a search for gaming hub. You can see it's not present. So to fix it, we need to install it. So for that, just open your Galaxy Store and then just do a search for a gaming hub. Okay, so here is that. So just tap on download and install this button next to it. Okay, so let me tap on it. It's downloading, so just wait. And it's now installing, and it has now been installed. And now if I go to my apps screen, you can see it's here. So it's now fixed. And also if you want it, you can move it to your home screen. So just tap and hold on it and then drag it to your home screen where you want. So I want it over here. After that, just lift up your finger. Let me do that. You can see it's now placed on the home screen. And to open it, just tap on it. Let me tap on it. It's opening. And it's now opened. Now we have this pop-up. Allow Gaming Hub to send you notifications. If you want it to send you notifications, just tap on allow button, and if you don't want it to send you notifications, then just tap on don't allow this button. So I want it, so let me tap on allow this button. Now we have this another pop-up. Continue to allow access to usage data. To record your gameplay time accurately, you need to allow usage tracking. Okay, so just tap on allow this button. Okay guys, so that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.